Order of Operation by Janaya, Raine, Ramos. Write simple expressions that record combination with numbers and interpret numerical expressions without evaluating them. For example, express the calculation, add 8 and 7, then multiply by 2 as 2 times open close parenthesis 8 plus 7. Another example is 3 multiplied by 18 added to 9 is expressed as 3 times open close parenthesis 18 plus 9. What do you know about the order of operations? Let us first learn about PEMDAS. Good thing our dear Aunt Sally is here to help us out. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. In order to solve problems with more than one operation, mathematicians came up with a rule called the order of operations. PEMDAS means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Parentheses. Parentheses are brackets. Parentheses are used to group things. And this is the first thing you do in a question. As you can see in the example, the next one is the exponents. Exponents are the little numbers next to another number. For example, 2 raised to 3. 3 is an example of one exponent. Multiplication. It is done by adding the number to a specific number a couple of times. The symbol of multiplication is X, as you can see in the example. The fourth one is the division. Division is an equation that puts numbers into groups. The division symbol is seen in this slide. The next one is addition. Addition is by adding numbers together. The symbol for addition is the plus sign, as you can see in the example. The last one is the subtraction. Subtraction is done by taking away a specific number, as you can see in the example. Now let's practice PEMDAS. The example is open close parenthesis 8 plus 7 divided by 3. Now to get the answer, you must follow the steps. The first one is adding the numbers inside the parentheses. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Because there are no exponents and no multiplication, we will proceed on division. We will divide 15 divided by 3 to get the answer of 5. And that is how you use PEMDAS. Another example is open close parenthesis 2 times 3 raised to 2 minus 7. The first step is to multiply 2 times 3 to get 6. And 6 raised to 2 is 36. Because there's no multiplication, division, and addition, we will proceed to subtraction, where 36 minus 7 gets the answer of 29. The last example is 4 times 6 minus 8 divided by 4. We will first multiply 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Then we're gonna divide 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So 24 minus 2 is equal to 22. Are you ready for a tough one? Why don't you solve this one for yourself? So, how do you feel about the order of operations now? I hope you liked my discussion. Thank you.